Well, I'm here for another Boston Scally unboxing and review video. If you watched my last one, you'll know that I picked up a couple of caps for the warm weather here now that it's getting to be summer. Being pretty pale like I am, I like to wear head covering in the summer to keep from getting burned. I got a couple of caps that I liked a lot last time. I got this Driftwood Sailor and this Sailor in salted copper. And I really like the way they fit, and they keep my head pretty cool. And I decided to order it in a couple other colors. Thought we'd unbox those. It's my Leon Ma Cuff 4. Paperwork here. We got one in Plum, and this other one is called Midnight. It's basically black with a light khaki brim. This one is a plum color with a khaki colored brim. The Midnight. I like the color of this plum. Kind of partial to purples and maroons and burgundies. Well, what do you think? Pop off this one here. I think this one, the color is called Salted Copper. It's got a black bill. Start with the Plum. Now these always fit you best, I think, when you curve the bill, and there's a way you can curve the bill that'll make it fit you better compared to just doing this. I'll show you that in a second. Alright, so that's what it looks like when you don't curve the bill, and you can see it sticks out a little bit on the sides. So what I like to do is find the center seam of the hat, like that, and I'll bend it hard, just up in front, you see? So instead of everything going like this, it kind of goes back at an angle. And what that does is it brings the hat down close, tight to the sides of your head. It changes the look and the fit of the cap, as you can see there, compared to what it did look like. Yeah, this one fits good. So this is the Plum from Boston Scally. And again, you can see how it kind of folds back at an angle when you fold it like that. And it's important when you do that to do it center off the seam, or you'll make the hat look like it's crooked. So again, I just bend it real hard up in the front here and not back farther on the bill. Like that. Again, that's it in Midnight. I like that one too. Nice. Again, these are the Sailor from Boston Scally. They're a 6-panel cap that they sell. My favorite caps from them are their 8-panel caps, and they recently came out with a cap called the Captain, which is an 8-panel version of these. I ordered a couple of those, and I'll shoot a review on those too. I'm anticipating I'm going to like those. This is the Driftwood gray one. Again, if you're looking for something a little different than a baseball cap, warm weather cap, and check out Boston Scally. I'll put a link in the video description. Again, these are the Sailor. They have several types of caps. They have 6-panel caps like these. They have 8-panel caps, single panel caps, and 5-panel caps. I'll shoot a review video showing you the difference of those in the future if you're interested in seeing. They don't show a lot of pictures on their sites of the hats on heads, and so I like to watch a lot of these review videos on YouTube, and thought I'd shoot a couple of my own. Like, subscribe, and share. Check out our merch store. We got plenty of merch. It's a good way to support the channel and get something cool in return for your efforts. Best wishes from everybody. See ya. Thanks for watching. Check out our merch store down below.